Hello guys! Alright, so here in front of me is everything that we need to make some bagels. We got some flour, Greek yogurt, and some baking powder. Sea salt, mine's purple because I'm cool. And then an egg wash, which is just one egg white and a teaspoon of water. And whatever kind of seasoning you want. I have some everything bagel seasoning. Alright. So, first step, you're going to need 2 cups of flour. So here's me sifting out the 2 cups of flour. That is me double checking the recipe to make sure that it's actually 2 cups. It is, don't worry. I know what I'm doing, I promise. It does not look like I know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. Cool beans, flour is done. Next step. You're going to need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm not going to show you me pouring all the teaspoons because watching me pour the flour was kind of boring. Let's be real here. Okay, that's a half a teaspoon of sea salt. You're going to mix it all up together. That's me checking the recipe again. And now it's time for the Greek yogurt. So you're going to need 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt. And there's me, trying not to spill it everywhere. Good job, Anna. Awesome. And you might need more or less depending. Mine wasn't like exactly 1.5 cups, so I had to add a little bit of water later, but you'll see me do that. Cool, alright. The yogurt has been done. Alright, now we get a spatula, because a whisk won't work for this. And you're going to mix it up until it's lumpy enough for you to start mixing it with your hands, like I'm doing here. And you're going to knead it until it kind of forms a ball. Mine looks like that. I felt like mine was a bit dry, so quick fix, teaspoon of water, thumbs up. And you're just going to keep kneading it until you've got like a nice little ball of dough. And it obviously took a while for me to do that, so we are here, waiting. Alrighty, there's my ball of dough. Now we're going to get a lightly floured surface. Take our ball, and you're going to knead it again, just like you would any bread dough. And then we're going to knead this about 10 times or so. I did it a bit more because overkill, until you get like a nice little lump. Then you're going to cut that lump unevenly. Well, cut it evenly. I cut it unevenly into 8 little triangles. Yep, there you go. If you cut it evenly, all the bagels will be the same size. Some were smaller than others, so it's really not that big of a deal. But anyways, you're going to take one of those little triangles and then roll it kind of into a log. Yep, there you go. You're going to realize that your hands are still way too sticky and covered in Greek yogurt, so pour a little flour on those things. There you go, you got it. And continue rolling your little log of bagel dough. Very nice. Do a few little dance moves. It'll make the bagels taste even better. I promise. That's a scientific fact. And you're going to take the ends and pinch them together. I was struggling a bit there, but that was the first bagel I'd ever made in my life, so cut me some slack. Yep. Okay. Oh, camera's over here. Bagel. Nice. Alright, plop it down and do it with the rest of the triangles. Okay. You're going to take your baking sheet, line it with parchment paper, and then you're going to take those little bagels that don't even look like bagels yet, and you're going to just plop them on the sheet. I was actually kind of worried that they wouldn't all fit because some of them were kind of big, but it was fine. You're going to take a weird little brush thing and give those bagels a little egg wash, which, like I said, is just 1 egg white and then a teaspoon of water. And you're going to try to coat like every part of the bagel. And then this is when you put the seasoning on. So first I tried putting it on my hand and sprinkling it that way. And I realized that was a very bad idea because my hands were still sticky. So then we had the genius idea of putting the seasoning into that little bowl. Innovated. Alrighty. So like I said, egg wash, coat all the visible parts of the bagel with the egg wash, and then season them. Oop, beautiful. There we go. And we're going to stick them in the top rack of the oven preheated at 375 degrees for 25 minutes, even though here it looks like I just put them in, took them out, movie magic, and beautiful. And this is me wanting to taste one, but also realizing that they just came out of the oven, so they are really hot. Oop, burned your fingers there. Okay, do you want a bagel? Okay, burn them again. Yep, that's hot. Okay, what are we gonna do? Aha, quite creative, I know. Alrighty, take that bagel, because I have no patience and could not wait the 15 minutes for the bagel to cool down, but it smelled really, really good, and it tasted even better. There you have it, super simple bagel recipe. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!